Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create custom clothes for a dummy rig character in Roblox Studio. We'll be generating our own materials, assigning them to the character parts, and even importing textures from our computer. Let's get started. First, open Roblox Studio and create a new baseplate or open your existing project. Go to Avatar, Character, and choose Block Avatar. This gives us a humanoid character model we can customize. If you look at any part of the character, you will see material section where we will assign new material to it. To make custom clothes, we're going to use Roblox Studio's material generator. This allows us to create brand new materials with our own textures. Go to Window, 3D, Material Generator. This panel lets us generate new materials and apply textures like base color, normal maps, roughness, metalness, and more. Go to Window, 3D, Material to show Materials window. Let's create a new custom material for our clothing. Type something that describes your material you want to generate. Click Generate button. Wait few seconds while the tool collecting textures template. Choose texture that fit to your style. Scroll down and select Material Base Type. Click Save and apply variant. New material variant will be created and applied to selected part. We can see it in Material window. To assign the base color texture. This is where you can import your own artwork or clothing textures. If you have additional texture maps like normal maps or roughness maps, you can import them the same way. These give your clothing more detail and realism. Let's test with other material textures. You can create many materials and apply it to individual part of the character. Just need to select material at Material Variant property. For details, you can also add texture directly to surface of any part. Remember to make texture as PNG format. Open Asset Manager and import PNG texture. Drag texture to surface part. Roblox Studio will upload the texture and apply it to the preview. If needed, you can also adjust color or texture scale. And that's it. We now have a dummy rig wearing fully custom clothing materials. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want to see more Roblox Studio content. I'll see you in the next one.